Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I am on this account that is on YouTube. It's called Fantage Free Member Account 2014. Yeah, you search that and you'll find it on the second one. I'm just kidding, it's not second. Right now I'm gonna be showing you how to have no board in Fantage. Well, first you need to buy the springy shoes, and voila, have no board. It's pretty true. I'll use that. Here, that's perfect. I don't even have. And I fall right back to you. You are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. She said, Aaliyah, still fighting, I don't know why. If love is you like clarity. I have no board. I have no board. Oh, no board. I have no board. I have no board. It's so creepy that I have no board. I have no board. No board. No board at all. And I fall right back to you.